Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Assure. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the examination for the Delhi Subordinate Services Selection Board for the post of Assistant Architect and Architectural Assistant. So we are going to discuss about the important dates, the examination pattern, the syllabus, and the previous year paper analysis. So in terms of the important dates, if you look at it, the examination, there are actually going to be 3 different examinations that would be conducted. First being for the post of Assistant Architect at NDMC, which would be conducted on 21st of April. Another examination that would be conducted is for the post of Architectural Assistant, again at NDMC on the 22nd of June 2025. And the third one is for the post of Architectural Assistant, which would be conducted at the Delhi Urban Shelter Improvement Board, and the dates for the same have not yet been announced. So if we see the examination pattern, this falls under the category of 1-tier technical examination as per their syllabus or as per the exam pattern given by them. So the examination is divided into 2 different sections, Section A and Section B. Now, Section A primarily comprises of topics related to general awareness, general intelligence or reasoning ability. Then your numerical questions. So here you can expect questions like related to speed, speed, distance, time, plus test of Hindi language and test of English language. So all of these questions are going to be in an MCQ format, and each of these 5 subsections under Section A comprise of 20 marks each. So that makes it a total of 100 marks for Section A. And likewise here you have 1 mark for 1 question with a 0.25 mark of negative marking for every wrong answer. Similarly, for Section B, now this section comprises of the subject or the technical subject. Now, in our case, it would be architecture subject. Again, this would also be in the MCQ format. Here, you will have 100 questions. Similar like Section A, so 1 mark per question and a 0.25 negative marking. So if we see Section A and Section B together comprise of a total of 200 marks. So the examination is going to be of 200 marks. As far as the syllabus is concerned, here if you look at it, these are all subjects that we study in the 5-year architecture course, right from architecture and planning, design, environment, landscape, conservation, construction management, housing, planning process, history, services, building construction, and computer applications. If you look at them one by one, what all is expected from the candidate. So let's say in terms of architecture, planning and design, one is expected to know about the architectural graphics, organization of spaces, circulation of spaces, space standards, building bylaws. In terms of construction management, various techniques like CPM, PERT, estimation, specification. In terms of environment, the basics of environment, what is a habitat, ecosystem, your ecological principles, what is a biome, what are keystone species, for example, things like that. In terms of urban design, landscape and conservation, your basics of urban design, your basic terminologies related to urban design. For landscape, again, various type of gardens. Let's say which of the following are Mughal gardens could be one sort of a question, right? So again, these kind of questions can be expected. Subject, again, in terms of conservation, again, topic related to urban renewal. In terms of planning process, the basic theories, so Patrick Giddis's theory or let's say C.A. Doxiadis's theory. Other than that, what is cost benefit analysis, various methodologies for research or data analysis. In terms of housing, basic housing concepts, what is neighborhood, what are your housing typologies, real estate valuation. For services, all kinds of services that we study, right from firefighting, water supply, drainage, rainwater harvesting, acoustics, along with that your HVAC as well. All of this is what is expected from a candidate. In terms of history, again, your world history, Indian history. So right from your Greek to Roman, all of that, along with that, your Indian temple architecture. These are all important parts to be known. Works of famous national and international architects. For building construction, basics of your materials, different materials, their characteristics, applications, modular coordination, various techniques of construction. And in terms of structure, the basics of strength of materials. For computer application, again, the basics related to your AutoCAD, SketchUp, and other 2D and 3D modeling softwares. Now, this syllabus that we've seen just now, this is the same for all the three different examinations of, that is the examination of assistant architect as well as architectural assistant. The syllabus is the same. If we look at the previous year paper analysis, the exam was conducted earlier in 2012 and later in 2014. So if we look at 2012, majority of the questions were asked from the building construction section. However, in the 2014 examination, this was changed. Major questions were asked from planning process. After that, it was architectural design, building construction, and then the rest of the subjects. So for all these three examinations combined, we are launching a course at Exam Assure on which will begin from 29th of March 2025. It would be a live online course where we would be having 2 classes per day. For more details, you all can get in touch with us on this number 76317 66140. Thank you and wish you all the best.